Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Wells Fargo app crashes on launch, shows a white loading screen that never goes anywhere or just won't open at all, here's the fix from your iPhone settings and App Store. No login needed. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Wells Fargo app and swipe it away from your recent apps. Then press and hold on the Wells Fargo app icon, remove app, delete app, then uninstall it completely. Next, open your App Store, search for Wells Fargo, and then reinstall it completely fresh. Corrupted data from failed update is the number one reason Wells Fargo app crashes before you can even log in, and a clean reinstall clears all of that. After reinstalling, if the app still crashes, go ahead to your settings app, then tap General, then scroll down and go to VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is active. Wells Fargo blocks VPN connections and that causes instant crashes. Also, in the setting itself, go to General and go to Software Update and install any available iOS updates since Wells Fargo regularly drops support for older iOS versions. So all you gotta do is delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store, turn off VPN in settings, update iOS, the app will open.